Hi there, I'm Lior from the Codesphere team. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain in Codesphere. While this can be done with any domain registrar, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain from GoDaddy. To get started, open your app in the Codesphere IDE. For this tutorial, I'm going to be working off of Codesphere's default to-do app. Now note that by default, Codesphere deploys to a generic Codesphere subdomain based on your app ID and port. If you're going to use your app for production, you're obviously going to need to add your own domain. We are then going to select the infrastructure tab in our app that we want to connect the domain to. Then we can press Domains, New Domain, and then enter our custom domain. For this example, my custom domain is going to be thisismydomain.co. Next up, we need to configure our DNS from GoDaddy. Go to My Products, scroll down to the domain you would like to connect, and click on DNS. From there, we can access the DNS records that we need to configure. The first record that we have to edit is the A record. Press the Edit button, and set the host to an asterisk. For the IP that it points to, navigate back to Codesphere and copy the address after the A, here in the DNS section. We are then going to add an A record pointing to the same value, but instead of an asterisk, we're going to put an @ sign. We can then press Save and go to the text record. For the host, just put Codesphere-verification. For the text value, go back to Codesphere and copy everything after that txt. And then you can press Save. Now that we have our DNS records configured correctly, we just need to verify it on Codesphere. To do so, go back to the domain menu and press Verify Status. It may take a few minutes to verify the domain and automatically generate a certificate. Once everything is in order, we're ready to deploy the application. As you can see on the domain menu, our domain is connected to port 80, so we need to run our app on that port. While the specific command that you need to run is going to differ by the type of application that you're running, for Codesphere's default to-do list app, we're just going to run API port = 80 and npm start. Once our app is deployed, we can go to thisismydomain.co, and there's our app. Thanks for watching. For more information and updates about how Codesphere is revolutionizing the software industry, follow us on our social media channels. You can find those in the description below. Happy coding!